Arpitharai here. Today I am going to review a face mask from Health and Glow. I bought this mask recently. Yes, of course I got some more of these, but I have one right now for this video. So let's read what's written on the packet. It's a moisturizing and nourishing botanical face mask, ideal for 20 minutes of facial that moisturizes, brightens, calms and nourishes your skin. That's what it is written on that, and I will show you how to put the face mask onto your face. This is a sheet mask, so let me just take you through how I apply and then I'll tell you how it feels.
First thing is to clean the face, tap it dry with a soft towel. Make sure to read the instructions as different brands may have them differently. It's time to open the packet. Did you guys try this Health and Glow sheet mask? If you did, let me know in the comments below. There's so much product inside the packet which was dripping off the face mask. I took a little bit of it and applied it to my neck. Let's put the mask on. This mask had a sheet behind it. I had to remove that to apply it onto my face. When you're applying the mask, make sure you spread it on your face evenly so that it touches all parts of your skin on the face. Try to get those air bubbles out as much as possible. Spread the excess product on your neck and hands. Every mask may need to time differently, so follow the instructions at the back. For this mask, I am going to leave for 20 minutes. Grab a magazine, ladies. It's time to take out the mask. Remember, always pull out a mask from bottom to top. This mask left some more product on my face, so to get most out of it, I massaged the product into the skin until the time it's completely absorbed. It took me like 1 minute. I even massaged my neck also with the product. Leave the face without applying anything on it as long as possible.
So guys, it feels really fresh and soft. It feels clean. I'm happy with this face mask. It's so easy to use. You just open the packet, put it on, wait for 20 minutes. That's it. It's very easy. I'm going to buy more of these and different kinds of these, and I'm going to use them for sure. If you like my review, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.